Hello, it's me again, and today we're gonna continue our tutorials. Um, First thing I want to say, I'm sorry that it was, I think, almost 10 days now, or maybe even longer since my last upload, so I'm sorry about that. But yeah, here I am, I'm gonna continue. I believe we did it last time, we did our lobby. We finished our lobby, but I'm not sure. Let's script. Yeah, it was all done, I believe. Oh yeah, that was done. So yeah. Um, yeah, we need to change a couple of things about. Oh no, we applied it already. Yeah, okay. This should be working. Okay, and I think I'm gonna start today with game modes. Also, a lot of you guys been asking if I wanted to do, show the setup and how to do everything. But we'll do that probably after this video or after this uh, theme is done. After we did um, game modes, that's what we're gonna do today. Then I'll probably do a setup video. But as well, one more thing I want to ask you guys. I've been making a video game myself, and the company I am with a couple of friends of mine is called Star Games. This is our logo. But if you can see, this logo was created almost 3 years ago now, I think. Yeah. No, I think it was 2 years, but it doesn't really matter. And it was made by a friend of mine, and though it looks okay, it isn't really, amazing. So if one of you guys that's watching this video, could make, a little bit more decent logo. I do like to keep, the name, of course, and the star. Further, all you guys can send in, your own experiments. Also, I like the rats very much. So just keep it a little bit in line of this, and if you would do this for me, you can. I will do custom tutorial or something for you, or if you have a problem with something, I'll do some Skyping or team viewing, whatever you like me to do. And yeah, this would be really nice if some of you could do this for me. So let's get into game modes. Okay, first of all, we need to make another JavaScript, and this game mode is gonna be team deathmatch. No, I'm gonna call it just DMD. It's gonna be easier. Sorry, my mom came in, asked me something. So yeah, just let's continue, or let's get into it. Um, this is gonna be pretty easy. Um, Considering this is wrong project. Um, this is the one. So you guys just got an exclusive access to all my scripts of my zombie game. Okay, so first thing I want to do is going to create two variables. And this is rat score and blue score int. So yeah. and we're gonna last red score. And what this second variable will do is basically whenever our value changes, this will, you know, when the when the blue score isn't equal to less blue score anymore, then we have to update our score into the network. And the reason why we'll only update this when we change is because every piece of data you send over the network will be sent to every single player that's connected. And if you did it every frame, you will have, of course, for one script it doesn't really matter, but a lot of scripts will do every update to send to all of the players. Your computer will basically have run the same game at, let's say there are 10 players connected, 10 times, so or the scripts at least. And this would be so much performance consuming that we'll, you know, have to take some measures to make sure we don't run too much. Now this is gonna be the max score. And this will be set to, let's say, 50. It's maybe a little bit much if you play 2 versus 2 or even 1 versus 1, but if you do like 5 versus 5 or maybe even more higher numbers, you know, you can always change this, of course. So yeah, what we're gonna do is if last red score is not equal to red score, then we want to do an update. So, but before we do that, we're just going to do the same with blue. Then let's just copy it and just do the same there. The first thing we want to do is we're gonna set those two equal, or do we want to do it in the network? Yeah, I guess we'll do it in the network just to make sure. So how we're gonna do this is we're gonna make two new functions. And we're gonna do this at RPC. But basically what this means, we'll do this function, we'll send it into the network using the network view. This one is gonna call blue or red first, so red update, and we'll have one that's called blue update as well. Blue update. So how we'll do this is basically, this is an example. So again, if you have any problems, you can always go to docs.unity3d.com/documentation/scripting reference/ something. Well, you can just find this on the site, and this is basically an example, just network view.rpcs, then the name of the function, and the RPC mode, and the mode itself. So we'll basically want to do the same. Network view, this had to be with a normal, and this is gonna be view.rpc, and then the name of a function, and then I forgot just a comma, or yeah, just a comma. Dot RPC mode dot all, and we don't want to use all buffered, just want to use all, and just, oh yeah, and then of course, almost forgot, we have to take red score with us. We don't need red score. No, we don't need lost red score. We just call that on, and then we just want to copy this, paste it here. Make sure you change all the variables, and then just so we can see we took a variable with us, and if you take a variable with you, you do have to make sure you place it between brackets, and we're just gonna do that now, but by using another name, and then we're gonna call this network red score int, and red score equals network red score. And what we do is we are in our client, and then we kill somebody, our score will go up, but the other clients won't know about that happening, so their score will stay the same. So that's a problem, because then each and one of us needs to kill 50, and who gets the first 50 kills wins. That ain't team play anymore, that's more free-for-all style. So what we want to do is basically we send out when our score isn't equal, when our score is changed, and we send out a network call, and we basically send this with it, and this is this, so those two are the same, but the other scripts don't know about this variable. So what we do here is the red score, we're going to equal it to our red score, so other people's red score is going to be equal to our red score. So that's basically what's happening, so you guys understand a bit. So we'll have to just copy this, and only change this to blue, and make sure that it's ends. Just copy this as well. Make this blue. And make this blue as well. And then, of course, we forgot something essential. A lost red score equals, or last red score equals now red score, so it won't keep updating. So yeah, this is basically the essence or the basic of the game mode. But of course, now it will just keep on counting, and we have to do something. If red score equals max score, then blue team, or sorry, red team has won, and we'll just make a boolean of that, var red has won, boolean, I'll set to default to false. Same thing here, var blue team, or blue, sorry, has won. Oh no, sorry, this needs to be a bool equals false. Now we'll set it into true here, equals true. And we'll just need to do the same thing for blue score. And I was thinking, no, but probably that won't be an issue. I was thinking, if you do like 2 kills at the same time, I will probably keep on going. But that would be like a challenge of 1 in a million or something, that both kills will be done at the exact same time. So for times we have to, but I don't think that will be necessary. So we'll just leave it like that. Blue team has 1 equals true, and then actually you have to send it down the network as well. You'll probably have to do that. So we'll just copy this because I'm way too lazy to type it. Red's 1, and we want to send along for blue. And we basically want to just do exactly the same thing as we did here. Yeah, so that's just copy this 02 and put this in blue. Now, if you do want to test this, make sure you add a network view to the scripts. But if you aren't really into Unity yet, this might be, you just can always try testing this, because I don't think we have. No, we probably won't test it in this video. So yeah, rats 1, network, R bool, rat has 1, and then this can be with a gun. Now we just have to copy this, change this into blue, this into B, and this also in blue. So yeah, that's basically it actually. And then we want to, in our update function, if, or no, we can delete this. Oh, no. Yeah, actually, you can perfectly. You don't need to send this over the network, because we're sending a score already to the network, so we can basically put this away. See, I was thinking that we should send, a signal that we won, but that won't matter because the score will always be the same. So, you can really easy check it here, and if this is true and this is true, we'll just make a GUI on GUI, and this has to be if red team has 1, equals true, then GUI.label, or just take a box. No, let's roll label. No, take a box now. I'm just kidding. Rect, then screen.width. We want to place it in the middle just to make it look a little bit nice. And I was thinking about 50. You can always make it bigger if your screen.height divided by 2 minus 60. just to make it a little bit more upper left. And then 100, no, this 50 is gonna be way too small. Just let's take 100 here and make 200 here. And then 40 or something there. And we can change this to the red team has 1. And this will need exactly the same for the blue team, except we need to change the red. I just have the team as 1, the red team as 1, and just change it there, and then blue, and this is blue too. So yeah, then we can, later on we can apply extra winning match bonuses or something. But yeah, let's see if we don't get any errors, because it can always happen. Is not, cannot be used for variable int. Okay, that's a problem. So what basically saying this means is not, and this cannot be used for the int type. So how do I want to do this? I'm just gonna try something. Maybe it just had to be there or something. It should work. No. Yep, this completely works. So yeah, and this is it. Next video, this was done pretty quick. We'll do setup, and this video will probably be next weekend. For now, school started again for me. I'll do a video every weekend, and it's probably Friday or Saturday. Sometimes also Sunday, but unless I have really busy weekends, it will always be on Saturday. Or, yeah, doesn't really matter. And then I just want to thank you guys for watching. Thanks for the support. Our tutorial show is getting more and more views, so I like that. So it really keeps me motivated to make more. Also, it would be really awesome if you guys could make me a logo. That would be really awesome. You know, once again, you can just ask me to make something. If you want me to make a tutorial about how to make, I don't know, you know, a guy that can jump 200,000 meters or something. I don't know, something with physics or something. If you guys like to see something like that, or if you like to see a tutorial about an RPG stuff or something, you can just ask me that. You know, we'll make a short 20-minute video for you, for whoever makes a nice one for me. You can just send it to me. You can MP me about that. So it would be really nice. That would really mean a lot to me. And then just subscribe and share on Facebook or something. And the more people watching, you know, the more it keeps me motivated. Bye.